Received this wallet from Travel and Bow. Packaging seems to be like very nice. Let's see. I love the color of it, the quality. It's very nice, very thin, very thin. So it's inside. It has a button there, and there's one more button right here. See? Sorry. Has a lot of pockets for the card slots and everything. Very sleek, very thin, just like the way I liked it. And they have a zip right here. See, just in case you want to put notes or coupons or cash. It's perfect. I think it can even fit my Samsung S9. It fit perfectly. Or even iPhone, it's easy to fit in here. So this is a really nice wallet. Thank you so much. This is very satisfying purchase.